What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. So I want to answer your questions, and a lot of questions in the comments have been, how do you go about tuning your car? Which one do I choose from? There are a ton of options out there like JB4, XHP, and there's Bootmod3 by Pro Tuning Freaks. And out of all three of those, which are the top ones that are popular and well known, I chose BM3. So I chose BM3 because I can stand behind them. They are reputable, and I've had zero issues so far in my car. I've had this tune since I think almost 7 months, and so far zero issues, and it's been great. The car runs well. It's a lot of power to the wheels, and in this video I want to show you basically the process in purchasing and getting it ready to tune your car. So let's do that. So this video is sponsored by Kies Motorsports. They helped me out so much with obtaining this tune, so I want to make them a video and just show you how to go about it. So first off, to get your tune, go to Kies Motorsports and purchase your license. Okay, so what you want to do is go to kiesmotorsports.com, and on the search bar just type in boot mode, and it's spelled BOOTMOD and then the number 3. So once you search that up, a ton of these little circles will come up. Basically what you want to do is look for your motor or your chassis. So for me, it was the N20 F chassis, right? So click on that. Well, first let's look at it before we add it to the cart. Well, I already did. Anyways, so this is it right here. You can choose a couple options. You can pay for it fully or go through a firm, which I totally recommend. I actually bought my AWE exhaust suite through a firm, and I was making monthly payments. I mean, hey, why not? The ENIC cable you do need prior to this, so I would recommend purchasing this first before you get your tune, or just get it together. You'll most likely get the license to, access Bootmod3 early, so you'll be waiting just for this cable to come in the mail so you can actually tune your car. So get this ENIC cable. That's one of the things that you actually need. And the Wi-Fi agent, it's an optional, it's an add-on. It's good to do. I have it and it's great. I'm able to tune from my phone, and it's wireless, and I can data log on the go. So I totally recommend it if that's something that you want to do. But you don't need it to start off with a tune. You can use your laptop and you're totally fine. So get that ENIC cable, purchase that, the license from Kies Motorsports, and you should be good to go. All right, so now that you purchase your license and your ENIC cable, you're gonna get an email from either Pro Tuning Freaks or Kies Motorsports. I got it from Kies Motorsports, and it had my license activation key, as well as a lot of helpful links that you should possibly look into. And these links are like the manual, tech support, how to set up your agent, and just basically all the things that you need to know about Pro Tuning Freaks and BM3. They also have a cool Facebook group, which I totally recommend going in there and just introducing yourself and just letting the community know that you have a stage 1 tune now, or whichever you choose. And that's pretty much it, guys. So once you do that, you want to go to bootmod.net. And again, that's BOOTMOD3, the number 3.net. And it'll take you to a page like this. And in this page, what you want to do is go to new account. I already have one, but once you do that, you want to register your account and just sign up and log in, enter your activation key in the setup menu. It should be the first page that pops up, and you're set to go. After that, just go to your car and watch this video up here, and you'll see my breakdown on how I went about flashing my car with BM3. So that's pretty much it, guys. So basically, get the license from Kies Motorsports. I'll put the links in my description, and purchase your license accordingly to your chassis and your motor. And second, get that ENIC cable. And I'm telling you, the license will come earlier. It usually comes in within like 24 to 48 hours into your email, and it'll come with the activation license and all those links that I mentioned. And the ENIC cable will be the last thing coming in the mail, which is the last piece to actually go through with this tune. So a couple of questions that I get all the time with boot mode is that, will this void your warranty? And to be quite honest, it probably will. There's like an 80 to 90% chance that the dealership will look at your computer of the car and find out that you tuned the vehicle, and they would find any way to blame the tune for whatever is causing the car to not run properly. Now, I did make a video recently, which you can watch up here. In fact, I made 2 videos on just me going to the dealership with my modifications thus far, which is in the a charge pipe, diverter valve, intake, What else did I do? The AWE exhaust pipe, and the inlet. All these mods that I had on my engine, plus a stage 1 tune that I had reflashed back to stock, so it's probably still there on the computer history. And I visited the dealership twice, and they actually repaired my car without me paying anything. They didn't mention the tune. So a couple theories is that they probably mod friendly, or they just didn't care about the tune, or they didn't see it. So another theory is that because I reflashed my car, I drove it over 100 miles, and maybe the computer reset and adapted to the current mods. I'm not sure, but it's all speculation at this point. But hey, either way, I went to the dealer with the past tune in my car, all these mods, and I still got serviced under my CPR wrap. Okay, so another question I get all the time is, if I purchase stage 1, do I have to buy a whole new license for stage 2? No. So Pro Tuning Freaks, if you go to their website, protuningfreaks.com, and just type in, again, Bootmod3, Bootmod, the number 3, and then just put in, again, your chassis, your motor, and type in bundle at the end of it. They usually sell for 50 bucks, and this allows you to jump from any map that you want. Say, for example, you travel to a different state or using a different octane, you can just switch in and out from different octanes, 91, 93. You can go for stage 1, stage 2, you can save different maps. So getting a bundle kit is super worthy because, again, you can easily switch between stage 1 and stage 2 without purchasing a whole new license. So all you need is a license from Bootmod, and after that, add the bundles, and you can go from stage 1 to stage 2 easily. And another question that I get is, how easy is it to customize the burbles? Well, I'm still in the process of learning how to do that. I love the burble configuration that I have in my car right now. It's aggressive when I need it, if I need to flex, you know what I mean? And also, I love the way it sounds. On comfort mode, there's 0 burbles. On sport mode, if I go over 3,000 RPM, it does throw a few burbles, and if I'm Sport Plus, it's just ridiculous. It's just burbles like crazy, and burbles and burbles and burbles. So all that to say, it's super customizable. You can customize it the way you want it, and I could show you how to do that, but I'll do that in a later video. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I will upload a video on my current burble settings, as well as showing you how to tweak it accordingly to the Pro Tuning Freaks manual on how to use boot mode. Reach out to Kies Motorsports, send them a DM on Instagram, get their Instagram handle right here, or just send them an email and tell them that you saw this video on Rad Bavarian's channel, Brian Alvarez, which is me, and just let them know, like, hey, is there anything you can do to help me out? And guys, I'm telling you, their support is just crazy. They're good, and they're on it, and they've helped me out a ton of times. So go hit them up, reach out to them, tell them that you saw this video, and go get your tune. And if you get your tune, please tag me on Instagram right here, because I want to see how your car sounds. And in fact, I want to see your reaction, because my reaction was priceless. If you see my video, so I just installed stage 1 in my car. I'm reading zero errors. So, oh fudge, holy crud. I already feel a difference. Holy crud. Which I put the card up later on in this video, earlier in this video. My reaction was crazy. As soon as I put it into drive and I hit the throttle to just exit out of my parking lot, it was like night and day. I gotta tell you, it was a whole different car. So make sure you record your reaction and how much fun you're having on your car. And I would love to just connect with you and see how this boot mode has changed your car. Well guys, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna go into the whole how I tune my car, because there's a whole other video on that, which you can watch up here, or it's tagged in my description below. Guys, I wanna give you more content like this. And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe, because I upload a video every week on just F30 DIYs, install, reviews, and now I'm gonna start reviewing cars, BMW cars. So if you have any car in general that you would love to see how the interior is, how the engine sounds, how it drives, how much it is, all that fun stuff, send me a comment below and I would love to get you that video. So guys, thanks again, make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you next week. I'll see you, family.